Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve. There has been an error. Retry. So once you download and you try to install any application in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you see this error, retry, there has been an error. So just you need an internet connection. Once you connect your PC with internet and once you click on retry, so downloading process will complete. So as we can see, internet is not connected. Connect internet, and once internet connection is available, click on retry. So as we can see, now downloading process is running. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.